So not only do you have the heirloom back, it now has more value. The technique is an effort to embrace imperfection, to embrace breakage, to embrace repair as a part of the object's history rather than hiding the damage. Rather than denying the story of said vessel, they add value to the vessel, and now the vessel itself, wherever it sits, tells a story. Every crack tells a story. Every fractured place tells a story. Every broken alignment tells a story. Every disappointment tells a story. Every time they sit it on the table, it speaks without saying a word.